What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're in a new update. First we got this. Don't care. Limited time. Why did they keep doing this? If you're gonna join code Zane. Join. I'm not scared of ghosts. No. Why would I be scared of ghosts? Also, ghost only if you're banned. Second, ghost only in ghost codes. Monkey box. Look at this. Dragon. You have some. What's this? Wait, does this come preset maybe? 6,000. I have one of these. If I buy $20, I have the money. Okay, come right here for a second. You already get the phone. You get the bridge already. I don't think you get. I know you get the statue. I saw the door. What? Wait, what? Oh gosh. I'm scared now. Should I be scared or no? I'm checking out cosmetics first. Only the Sigma ones. First of all, where the frick is the free cosmetic? Yo, they're actually upgrading their badges now. I love it, bro. Not my new fit. Come here, guys. Look at me now. Not the real happy name. I'm just saying, guys. So don't report me. Okay. I'll tell you. I already see two really good things. It's right in front of me, huh? Okay. Let's try those. That's pretty cool. Those look stupid, guys. No. Oh, crossbow. Okay, let's check out these only Sigma knives. This crossbow. Guess. Now guess what? This is what he did. Okay. Let me see this one. Okay. Don't care. I swear, just make noise. Wait. Wait. Why can't? Is it me or can I not grab this? What's wrong? What? Okay, I didn't grab this. I'm sorry. Okay. Guess that's gonna be it. Let's get to the main part of this. I forgot those are still in the game. Oh yeah, I forgot. They both lead the same direction. We don't care about any of this other stuff. Oh, hi, Metro. This is what I'm gonna buy, guys. Oh no, I meant this. I love me. Wait. The grinder real? Ow, my hand. Here. Take this thing. Let's go. This is supposed to be only for those people that own the pack. I don't own the pack. I just already have it, guys. It's because I'm early accessor. This will probably be coming out like on the day or close to the day it comes out because I don't know. I'm probably happy. Let's go stream. Okay. Benton. Well, if you do it too hard, oh gosh. Guys, where am I? Oh no, I'm out. Okay. So what if I do this? Oh, I'm making a trap. Okay, guys, I'm gonna make a trap. Guys, just saying, this is not trapping. It's method. That's another one. I like it. I'm starting stuff again. It's just because I love. Oh no, those have in betweens. What the frick? Bro, it scared me. How do you turn the music off? I don't like. I know, like. That scares me. Okay. Vodka. I'm gonna be testing it. Testing isn't method. No, that's not where I want. Okay, one of my hands is broken, so I can't use it. Look, no, it's right this, but look, I can't grab it with this hand. Like, broski. I should stop doing. Okay, no, I'll just. Oh, perfect. That's what I need. If I can grab it. Okay, put that right there. Yo. No. And we're also gonna need a roof. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, I know it's not fully done. Okay, I'm gonna just test this. Yes, I am gonna make a little pathway. You know, this. Okay. I'll have to flip that door. That's how you do that. Can they just like? Oh yeah, they can. Okay, that's not good. Okay. Big thing. Stop. Use this. 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 This not right. Are you running the build? Shut up, little Jimmy. Looks like no roof is gonna go on this. No, why? Because we can't handle the other roofs. Just look cool. Let's put windows on the top. So it doesn't look like a trap, guys. We're trying to make it not look like a trap. Because if we... Can I pick up the whole thing? I know. Okay. Around it. So we can pick up. Okay. Wait. That's... Let's just get a big... 2 big platforms. That's really... Okay, we're gonna put 1 platform right there. 1. Right there. Okay. Pick this thing. Put strip knees on. Try to keep it the right. That will look cool. No, why not? Just give it to Banner. Lamps, sure. Oh, that's really good. Get over there. Get over there. So let's put a lamp post right there. Other lamp post. There. Pretty. Warning. I got the whole house. Okay. How do I? Yes, sir. Dookie. Where you go? Oh yeah, he got presents.